Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. If you want to unblock people on Facebook, then you are on the right video. Watch complete video to learn how to unblock people on Facebook. In this video, I am going to show you how to do it. First of all, open Facebook app from your mobile phone. Click on three lines at top right. Now you have to click on settings icon at top. Now you have to open profile settings. Here you have to scroll down and choose blocking option from the list. Here you can see list of all blocked people. You can unblock people here. For example, I am going to unblock these people. This is the easy and simple way to unblock people on Facebook. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe our Let Me Guide channel and press bell icon to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.